If you love the rich flavor of wood-smoked barbecue, but hate hauling around a bulky grill or constantly managing charcoal, you're not alone. Portable grills often force you to choose between convenience and great flavor. But what if you could have both? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Z-Grill's portable tabletop wood pellet grill to see if it's the perfect companion for camping trips, tailgates, RV adventures, and backyard cookouts. The Z-Grill's portable tabletop wood pellet grill is built for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want authentic hardwood smoke flavor in a compact package. Whether you're grilling burgers at the campsite, smoking ribs on the patio, or cooking dinner outside your RV, this portable pellet grill promises versatility without the hassle of traditional charcoal cooking. If you're interested in picking one up, you can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its compact, tabletop-friendly design. Measuring about 25 inches wide with a 202 square inch cooking surface, it's large enough to prepare meals for a small family or a group of friends without becoming difficult to transport. The black finish gives it a clean, rugged appearance, and despite its portable size, it feels solid and well-built. It strikes a nice balance between durability and portability, making it easy to load into a truck, RV, or SUV for weekend trips. Unlike many portable grills that focus only on direct grilling, this model offers much more flexibility. Thanks to its pellet-powered cooking system, it can grill, smoke, roast, bake, braise, barbecue, sear, and even char grill. Instead of needing separate outdoor cooking equipment, you can prepare everything from smoked brisket and pulled pork to pizza, vegetables, chicken wings, and fresh-baked desserts. That versatility makes it feel more like a compact outdoor oven than a simple grill. Performance is where pellet grills continue to win over many outdoor cooks, and this Z-Grill's model is no exception. The digital control system maintains temperatures with impressive consistency, reducing the constant adjustments that are common with charcoal grills. Once you've selected your cooking temperature, the grill feeds pellets automatically to help maintain even heat across the cooking surface. That means you can spend more time enjoying your guests instead of constantly checking the fire. One of the biggest advantages is the flavor. Hardwood pellets produce a distinctive smoky taste that's difficult to replicate with gas grills. Whether you're cooking steaks, burgers, ribs, salmon, or vegetables, the subtle wood-fired flavor adds another layer to your meals without requiring advanced grilling experience. The temperature range also gives you plenty of flexibility, allowing you to cook low and slow for barbecue or increase the heat for everyday grilling. Another pleasant surprise is how beginner-friendly the entire experience feels. Starting the grill is much simpler than lighting charcoal, and the digital controls remove much of the guesswork. Cleanup is also relatively straightforward. Since wood pellets burn efficiently, ash production is fairly minimal compared to charcoal, making post-cook maintenance less time-consuming. Like any pellet grill, occasional cleaning of the fire pot and grease tray will help keep it running smoothly over the long term. Of course, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. With 202 square inches of cooking space, this grill isn't designed for large backyard parties or cooking for a dozen people at once. It's best suited for couples, small families, or groups of 3 to 5 people. You'll also need access to electricity to power the pellet feed system and digital controller, making it slightly less flexible than a traditional charcoal grill in completely off-grid situations. And because it relies on wood pellets, you want to keep an extra bag on hand during longer camping trips. Compared to portable pellet grills from brands like Traeger or Pit Boss, the Z-Grill's model offers many of the same core benefits at a more approachable price. While premium competitors may include larger cooking areas or additional smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity, this grill focuses on delivering reliable temperature control, authentic wood-fired flavor, and true portability without significantly increasing the cost. Overall, the Z-Grill's portable tabletop wood pellet grill is an excellent choice for campers, RV owners, apartment dwellers, tailgaters, and anyone who wants genuine pellet grilled flavor in a compact package. It combines versatility, consistent cooking performance, and easy operation into a grill that's enjoyable for both beginners and experienced outdoor cooks alike. If you've been thinking about upgrading your outdoor cooking setup with a portable pellet grill, this one is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.